Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Sharon.
Hi everyone, I'm Ben.
Today, we are going to learn about colors in English.
Oh, that's great. I like colors.
Me too, Ben. Colors are fun and very useful in daily English.
Yes, we see colors everywhere. Clothes, food, cars, and nature.
Exactly. So today, we'll learn how to say colors in English, how to describe things with colors, and how to ask simple color questions.
Sounds good. Let's start.
Let's start with the most common colors in English. Repeat after me. Red,
Red,
blue,
blue,
green,
green,
yellow,
yellow,
black,
black,
white,
white,
orange,
orange,
pink,
pink,
brown,
brown,
purple.
purple.
Great job, everyone. Those are your 10 basic colors.
That's easy. Red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, orange, pink, brown, purple.
Excellent, Ben. Let's go over what some of these colors mean or where you see them. Let's make small sentences with colors.
Okay.
The apple is red.
The apple is red.
The sky is blue.
The sky is blue.
The grass is green.
The grass is green.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
The cat is black.
The cat is black.
The snow is white.
The snow is white.
The pumpkin is orange.
The pumpkin is orange.
The flower is pink.
The flower is pink.
The dog is brown.
The dog is brown.
The grape is purple.
The grape is purple.
Fantastic. You said them all. Now let's talk about favorite colors. You can say, my favorite color is.
My favorite color is blue.
Nice. My favorite color is pink.
So I can ask someone, what is your favorite color?
Exactly. That's a great question. Repeat it with me. What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
And you can answer, my favorite color is red, or my favorite color is green.
My favorite color is blue.
Good job, Ben. Let's practice with real objects.
Okay.
What color is your shirt, Ben?
My shirt is gray.
Nice. What color is your phone?
My phone is black.
Very good. And what color is your notebook?
My notebook is white.
Excellent. You can practice this at home. Look around your room and say what color things are.
The wall is white.
The chair is brown.
The pillow is blue.
Perfect. Now let's use colors to describe what people wear.
Okay.
My dress is red.
My shirt is green.
His hat is black.
Her shoes are white.
Great. You can also say, she has a pink bag, or he has a blue car.
This is fun. I can describe everything with colors.
Yes, colors make your English more interesting and clear. Let's learn how to ask color questions.
Okay.
What color is it?
What color is it?
What color are your shoes?
What color are your shoes?
What color is your house?
What color is your house?
Excellent. You can ask anyone these questions in English. Sometimes colors are not just simple. We also have light and dark colors.
Like light blue and dark blue?
Yes, perfect. For example, this is light blue. That is dark blue.
Light means not strong and dark means strong.
Exactly. Light pink, dark pink. Light green, dark green.
Got it.
Let's practice together.
Okay.
What color is the apple?
The apple is red.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What color is the sun?
The sun is yellow.
What color is the grass?
The grass is green.
What color are your shoes?
My shoes are black.
Excellent. Let's review what we learned today.
Okay.
Colors in English are red, blue, green, yellow, black, white, orange, pink, brown, purple.
Yes, and we can make sentences like the apple is red and the sky is blue.
That's right. And you can ask, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Good job, Ben.
Wow, learning colors in English is fun and easy.
Yes, it is. You can use colors every day when you talk about clothes, food, or things around you.
Thank you, Sharon.
You're welcome, Ben. And thank you, listeners.
Practice your colors at home and say them out loud.
That's all for today's Speak English Daily.
See you next time.
Goodbye.